Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. This powerful 2-ingredient combo will help you destroy cysts and fibroids forever. Yes, you got that right. In today's video, I will show you how to make the most powerful remedy which is extremely useful and effective against many health problems, especially against cysts, heart diseases, fibroids and toxin buildup in your body. I really think that you will be amazed when I tell you that this powerful 2-ingredient combo is very simple and easy to make. You just need 2 simple ingredients, Houseleek and honey. When you combine the healing powers of honey and houseleeks, you will make the most powerful ingredient which can regenerate your entire body. Houseleek. The Latin name of this herb is sempervivum and it means always alive. The ancient Greeks and Romans always had houseleek in their homes. They have used this herb as a house plant to keep bugs and insects away. A lot of people today have this plant in their homes for the same purpose. Ingredients: 300 grams houseleek leaves, 300 grams of honey. Directions: chop the houseleek leaves into small pieces and add them in the honey. Mix well. Refrigerate this mixture for 7 days. Stir occasionally. After 7 days, this remedy is ready to use. How to use it? You should consume 1 tablespoon a day of this amazing homemade remedy on empty stomach in the morning, immediately after you wake up. And make sure you don't drink or eat anything else in the next 2 hours. You will be amazed by the results. This homemade remedy is extremely useful and effective in stimulating the metabolism. It helps with cyst problems and it cleanses the body from all harmful toxins. Many experts use this remedy as a preventive medicine for heart diseases. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.